Hi everybody, I'm Connie. Thanks for joining me today. Listen, do you guys have spring fever like I do? Oh, it is beautiful outside today and just can't wait to be able to get out there. And being spring, it reminds me of having some good salads. So today I am going to be showing you how to make the Mandarin almond salad. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to do first is make a dressing that goes over our salad. And so what you're going to need is a container that has some sort of a lid on it. And I had one of these and I thought it'd be perfect for shaking. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill while we're putting all the other stuff together. So first, what you're going to need is a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And this will be enough of dressing for one salad. So if you want to double it, perfectly fine. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in our little container here, like this. And I hope everybody's having a great day. I told you guys I'm having spring fever. So just having this salad maybe will suffice me until winter's over. Anyway, what we're going to do after this, our 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar in with our mixture here. So we're going to do this. We have 1, and I just have some regular gourmet red wine vinegar I'm using here. So 2 tablespoons of that. And then it calls for some minced parsley. So I already have some kind of chopped up here. We're going to put in there. And this parsley, it smells so good. But it calls for like a tablespoon. So I'm just going to put some of that in there just like this. And let that all kind of mix together. And then it calls for a little salt and pepper. So this is just to taste, however you would like to do it. So I'm just going to put like 1/8 of a teaspoon there and maybe just hit it with a little salt like that. And then it calls for 3 drops of red pepper sauce. And I'm using this Tabasco sauce. So just 3 little drops of this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's good. And now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. So we'll do this like that. And then put your lid on it and give it a really good shake. Now, if you've got something else, like a little bottle that squirts out for salad dressing, that's perfect too. So shake it up, mix it like this really well. It looks really good, vinaigrette. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to put our salad together. I can't wait. Okay, so our vinaigrette dressing is in the refrigerator chilling. What we're going to do next is do our almonds. And you're going to need 1/2 cup of almonds in a little small saucepan like this, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, with this, what we're going to do, I have it on a medium heat setting. And what you're going to need to do is stay with this and stir this for about 10 minutes while the sugar melts into the almonds. Just want to make sure that this doesn't burn. And so what we're going to do after that is we're going to put our salad together and get our vinaigrette out. Oh, it's so yummy. I can't wait to show you. Okay, y'all. So this has been going for about 10 minutes. And my sugar has incorporated with my almonds here. And I don't know if you can see this, but what we're going to do now is you're going to want to put these out on some sprayed wax paper and let them cool down. And so that's what we're going to do here. Going to put them out like this. Make sure you get all that caramel out there. And we're going to pat this down on the wax paper like this. And then you don't need a very big cookie sheet to do this. We're going to let this kind of cool down. Some of them will be individual, and then some of them will be pieces. And I know this is probably the longest part of this salad, but oh, it is so worth it. This is probably one of the best parts. Okay, our almonds have cooled down, and now we're going to put our salad together. And what we're going to do is, I've got some romaine because the recipe calls for big leaf lettuce. And so I have some romaine, and I took about 3/4 of a head. So it's going to depend on what you have. And I chopped it up or broke it up into pieces. Some people like to tear it up. I just used a knife. And now I have about a half of red onion chopped. So we're going to add our onion in here. And now it calls for 1 can of Mandarin oranges drained. So I've drained it real well. We're going to sprinkle our oranges in here like this. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this. And I'm going to give it a little toss like this. Oh, doesn't this make you want spring to be here like now? And now I'm going to take our almonds, and we're going to, some of them will be little pieces like this. So you can just throw the little pieces in here like this, break it up and sprinkle it over your salad. So when you get your dressing out of the refrigerator, give it a little shake like this, and it's a beautiful color. I don't know if you guys can see this purple color from the vinegar. Just give it a little shake, and then we're going to get some of our salad out, and this is how I would serve mine. I saved a few of the almonds here, and we're going to do it just like this. Take a few more and sprinkle over it. Okay, and then we're going to drizzle some of this dressing on here, just like that. And oh, yum. I hope you share the love and go tell somebody you love them. Thank you, and happy spring.